Hi guys, so this is the gold market. Okay, earlier I scalped gold twice, basically for the upside that played out, and right now I have seen the downside that was about to play out, and that it's actually called out in WhatsApp. So I don't actually need to trade this, but I figured I'd make the video for it and trade it while I show the market and how it's developing. But I am expecting sales. Market formed a double top. You can see there the first top formed a bearish engulfing, and the second top formed gave a star, okay, or I guess it's a doji before being engulfed by a next candle, and that's essentially where I got in on the trade. So next candle I basically got in before I set up to record this and show it. So I'm expecting market to sell from here. I'm a scalper, as you may have noticed if you followed me from earlier, and I'm expecting collection to my trade at the purple zone, or if it looks blue to some of you, then yeah. So entry was made at close of the first sell candle for the double top, the second double top. So I'm expecting further downside there. After this, I believe market will probably sell further than this. Only thing is, I prefer to keep my trades conservative. Part of the reason is sometimes market doesn't give us like a straight shooter down. It can come up to give a retracement, and I don't really want to observe market moving towards my retracement where I got in. So I hate seeing profits in and then leaving me. So I really just close. So most of the time, what I do is I either collect all my profits at first TP, or I collect partials at first TP and let the other trail and set it to somewhere in profit or break even or something. Either way, I banked money and there's no losses of anything that I already banked. But with this one, I think I'm just gonna collect all because I've already traded earlier today, like I said twice before, and this one is just a bonus really. I don't really trade so much for the day, even though I might spot multiple moves. So market is going to make its way, guys. It is going to make its way. Purple zone is my collection. It might head straight down from there, or it could give us a retracement, and that is what I will prefer to avoid. Hence why I'm staying conservative, honey. I am a conservative voter on this one. So there you have it, guys. Let's watch this market play out. I believe volatility is coming into market right now because it's a New York session and we've had some news around this time. So driving volatility to now push market in its intended direction. So let's wait and see. So expecting further downside, even past the bottom zone, guys. That bottom black horizontal line. If I was trading this further, I would take it all the way down to that bottom zone. I believe it's gonna go further than that, to be fair. But again, I'm only sticking to one zone. I'm not focusing on anything too far away from me. So yeah, I'm just focusing. So guys, this is the candlestick. Second top is what I'm pointing at, and that's a candlestick. Okay, so I mostly focus on engulfing candles, but there are a few others that I also take note of, which is the doji and the hammer, morning star, evening star, all those similar ones. It basically tells me there is indecision in market and which could lead to a potential. So it really depends on where it appears. The most promising one for me is the engulfing candle. If you pay attention to engulfings and stuff. But I would say engulfing plays out more than the other ones. The other ones, it's more of an indecision and market and potential reversal. Okay, so but you can see that it appeared on the double top and market that channel is been following to the upside. Okay, it's already touched it the first time, the second time, and then it actually touched it a third time before it created the second top. Okay, so once market has made that many touches on this type of channel, I'm giving a double top. Everything is aligning. Everything is like I recognize everything. So and I'm like, okay, this is about to drop. Okay. If you're seeing value in this, make sure you like and subscribe, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can be posted. You can be one of the first to get notification when I post a video, so you can learn lots from it. You motivate me, I will have motivation to make more content for you to learn trading the market. Okay, guys. So yeah, so as you can see, market has started dropping. It's not going to be long. Yeah, and this is the bigger channel that I spotted, but I always grab it. I always, even, can you see, like the previous channel I traded, I got in at that zone right there. Market formed a double bottom. Okay, so even before the first little channel broke out for that upside that I'm pointing at now, it created a double bottom there with a bullish engulfing. And if you look towards the other side, you see it was an area of interest, guys. So yeah, that's why I basically bought up there for the scalp, and where I just put this line is where I basically collected my scalp, and that was a scalp I actually traded for today. Okay, after market broke that small channel, cause it played a lot of consolidation there before it came out with the bigger channel. So all that kind of consolidation there, it counts, I guess, as a retracement for the smaller channel, and I didn't want to have to deal with all that, so it was a wise decision to just get into the market, get out quickly. Okay, but after I got out, market played around there for a bit, and eventually market did form a bullish engulfing there. So take notice. So after that place basically consolidated quite a bit, created like an interest there, and then formed a bullish engulfing, and that bullish engulfing eventually led to market breaking out the bigger side, and that breakout led to the completion, which is the 100% Fibonacci retracement, smaller channel. Okay, and right there as well at 100%, there is also resistance from the outside of the channel. If you take a look at it on the left hand side, as market had been dropping before it formed the buy channel there. Okay, upside basically resisted that zone as well at the 100% Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so that's basically what we have, and this is exactly how it is. Okay, let's delete this line. You have it. Okay, market is getting close to where I wanted to collect. I'm keeping conservative because this is just for tutorial purposes, guys, but I'm expecting further drops. So stay tuned. We will probably see. The thing is, I could write this out, I guess, but I don't want to write the retracement. I just don't like when I see money and then after I don't see money. And the retracements often, guys, it can go all the way to the top. Like, I mean, it can go all the way to the top and even go all the way past my entry. So it's like if I have my entry at break even, I get closed out because I'm not trying to hold a trade into negative after I've seen money. You know what I mean? So I don't like taking those kind of risks. That's basically why I prefer to collect early, because I only need because I've articulated my trading to the point where I'm now getting right. If it's going to be a winning trade, my entries is usually right for the most part. Sometimes I take late entries, don't get me wrong. Sometimes I take late entries, those times when I chase market, but I'm always able to spot if it was a good mistake or bad, like if it was a good, like even though I got in late, if it's still gonna give me some pips, or if it's not. Like yesterday, for example, okay, I traded gold buys, but before the buys, it was going down to give a double bottom. But where I entered the buys, market was not at the bottom. Market had already moved up a bit, so I got in. And then market moved up a bit, and then it started giving signals that it was going to reverse to go back for a double bottom. I'm like, oh no, I'm not holding this negative, so I need to get out. Let it do its double bottom, let it do its thing, and then we'll see what happens after that. So there are those times, but I usually able to, settle from the market if it's going to move against me, because I'm not trying to find myself in negative. Okay, guys, so market is currently stalling at that zone, if you notice, because we have before market gets to the place I'm looking to collect profits, we also have a area of like minor support. Okay, so market is reacting to that zone, and I'm hoping the retracement doesn't come in here, guys, because hold on a minute. Okay, I just set my trade on my phone and break even. Actually, yeah, it's a few pips away from break even. So even if market goes back up to retrace, it will catch me out in a minor profit, which is basically break even. I guess I'm only gonna close like a tiny thing, so it's not really this to brag about. But yeah, see, I'm hoping it doesn't happen. This is why I like to collect early, because I'm thinking you're about to do a retracement even earlier than I thought. Like, and I'm not saying it definitely will do a retracement. We might be lucky, guys. Market might decide to just drop, like get to where I'm collecting and just continue dropping. It could do that. It does that sometimes. Okay, you just can't predict sometimes what it's going to do. I mean, I can predict. Okay, I think it's going to give some downside from here, but in terms of retracement, that part is unpredictable because I know how market likes to play around, and as a scalper, I don't do downsides. I don't do holding of downsides. So that's why I think safe zone collect that where the black horizontal line is the first line. Okay, the one on the right, not the one on the left. The one, I'm sorry, the one on the left, not the one on the right. The one on the right, I put that there to basically show you something that how I played market earlier. So I'm gonna delete that one. I'm trying to figure out what this thing is doing, guys. Hold on. Do not retrace back to my entry. Okay. Yeah, that's you see that so where it reacted to. Yeah. Um that's the zone is reacting to that. I mean it just I don't feel like that's strong enough. It shouldn't be strong enough to take market all the way to my entry right now. Give me a break. No, come on. Come on, we can do this. You will not go back to my entry. You must hit my TP first. But anyway, if it doesn't hit, guys, that's okay still. But it's it will have to do. It will have to do, guys. So let's watch it closely. Remember where I got in, guys. I got in at second engulfing candle. At the double top. I'm just trying to figure out. It might fall at the neckline of that bear channel. Sorry, I'm just trying to watch on one screen to make sense of everything of what Mark's doing. Let's see. Fingers crossed. Ignore this line here. Yeah, obviously, this is not where I'm collecting. I only put this line here based on what I was trying to explain to you that I didn't mark earlier for my buy. I'm going to pull up the other charts now. Okay. Looks like it's coming back down. Yeah. Okay, yeah. It does look like it's coming back down, guys. Okay, anyway, here's the other chart, and that's the on the left. That's where I'm looking to select, guys, not the one on the right. The one on the line on the right, the horizontal line on the right. Demonstration purposes, maybe something to hit. Then the horizontal line on the left, still yet to hit where the arrow for the downside is pointing, where I am waiting on. Okay. So let's continue to observe, guys. If you are understanding this, if you are learning something, if it's making sense to you, you know what to do. Hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so you will be the first to be notified, guys. Listen, if you motivate me, right? Motivate me and I motivate you. I motivate you by giving you more content to basically help you figure out how to trade, and also once I get enough community, I might decide to do a giveaway. Let's see how it goes. how our relationship is going to be, guys. It's gonna be a good one. No retracements yet. Market get to that. Take profits. Do play me. Don't play your girl. Nope. Let's see how this works out, guys. Okay, they actually gave a bullish engulfing there, but one of those fake bullish engulfings appeared. We know market is gonna be inside in this view, so ain't nobody paying attention to no bullish engulfing right now. Not right now. It hasn't hit the official support, alright? This is not official. Amazing. Yo, we are about to hit it, guys. We just hit it. We just hit it. Man. Yeah. Guys, it's a hit. It's a hit. Okay, we had a little bit of a scare there before market went to TP, guys. Whoop, market got there. Now let's see if it's going to continue shooting down like a bitch. Let's see. Let me not, use curse words. Or if it's going to give the retracement, which it sometimes likes to do. You can see where market retraced to, essentially, which is the neckline of this channel that dropped. Okay. Okay, guys, so we are now risk-free and just observing. This is how I train my brain, guys. This is how I train my brain. You can see it there, where market basically retested the neckline and also that order block there, right there as well. So there's a small order block, the wicks got there, and then there's a big order block, which is the body of the retracement candle got to. So it's reasonable, and as you can see, it didn't take us all the way to that second top candle. Remember I said that I got in the trade on the close of the second candle, the second double top after the first red candle closed, so market didn't retrace there, which is good. It's good. Guys, so what do you think market is going to do now? What do you think it's trying to do? Do you think it's trying to continue downwards and be like, fuck you, you trying to make me look like I'm struggling, you trying to make me look like the bad one out here, but I'm gonna prove you wrong. I'm gonna keep going down. All that yap you said earlier about retracement, going back to entry zone, I'm gonna make you look silly, girl. Yeah, well, guys, like I said, it's not a guarantee that it will happen, but there is a tendency for it to happen. And when it comes to tendencies, you just can't be taking over. See, another thing, it just annoys me because sometimes the spread is good on this, and sometimes the spread is good, and sometimes the spread is terrible. So, yeah. That's the neckline of the engulfing, by the way, guys. Usually, market, I like to get in that neckline of engulfings. When I take a bearish engulfing or a bullish engulfing, that's the neckline that would speak to there. I like to get in, but as market did actually reach at the neckline there. So that could have been even earlier entry if I wanted it. But you can see the difference between the two double tops. One is a bearish engulfing, the other one is an engulfing of a star, shooting star, I don't know. Depends on how you want to look at it, really. Really? That was it was a long candle. You see how long that candle was? So the next candle retested that candle, even when just past halfway to it, which is a good retest to be fair, because we don't need it at all the way to the neckline, because for such a long candle, it's even a miracle that it reached that far into the candle read. Okay, and then let's see where we have that market retest. Yeah, we just, guys, we're not in the chain anymore, but so we're just observing to see what market does. If it's gonna continue downwards or it's gonna go up. And just see. I'm noticing some candlesticks forming on the right hand side, guys. These are the type of candlesticks, and it's forming at that support zone as well. So which is, it's from the first candlestick that is like an infusion candle. It's like a hammer, right? Yeah. Let's see. I mean, it's like that support, right? See, see. Let's see if my guess of potential retracement happen. What do you think, guys? Okay, let's make a bet before it happens, before it continues down or it goes up. Do you think we will get a retracement back to the upside, even testing my entry or my entry, you know? Or do you think it's going to continue down from here? No stops, no, no catching his breath or nothing. What do you think? Tick tock. Don't cheat now. Don't cheat. Give us your answer first. Before it happens, guys, give us your answer. Tock, tock, tock. Yeah. I don't know, because it's stalling here. I'll give you my answer. I hope you made your answer and don't go by mine. Because it's doing a lot of stalling here. I feel like it's giving indication that we might get that. Maybe it's wishful thinking on my part, just so I can demonstrate to you how market likes to care about me. Market, you're about to make me silly and chat. Oh no. Yeah. Look how market is doing me dirty. Oh no. Market, you're a wrongin. You are a wrongin. Eh? You do not want me to show people what I was talking about when it comes to retracement. When it gets to first TP. You're about to make me look silly, aren't you? Wrongin. Hmm. Gosh. Guys, which one did you get? Be honest. Be honest. Anyway, let's see how it happens, because the candle hasn't actually closed yet. It hasn't closed yet, so I'm not going to give up hope. I shall not give up hope. Let's see. Okay, let's see how it closes first before we make any decision. Any decisions, okay? Let's go. Let's go. Uh. Come on. Is it closing bullish? Okay. On the right side, it's closed. Hold on. Fine. Yeah, I can see all those candles. Yeah, it's actually, yeah. Those candles are definitely indecisive potential reversal candles. We just had a bullish engulfing on the right hand side chart. We have a bullish engulfing Houston. We have a that bullish engulfing did give a wick. So I wonder the retest of that engulfing, will that mess with that wick? Sometimes it can mess with wicks when there's long wicks for an engulfing candle, or whether it's the candle that engulfs or the candle that got engulfed. Let's see, guys. But we have an engulfing. Yep, all the candles you can see on this side, all those candles were telling me things. They were telling me things. We could have a reaction there, a reaction. And now we just had a bullish engulfing. So, guys, I'm expecting up move. I'm expecting up move. A retest. Okay, so we are getting a retest. But I guess this might test the neckline of the candle. But does that candle actually really need a retest? Because it's short engulfing. It's not like a long ass wick engulfing. So one is potentially getting early anyway. It's good. It's good. Guys. Guys. Let's see. It's gonna push up anyway. It's gonna push up. Even if it acts like it won't or something, it will push up. It's giving all the signs from both the left and the right chart. Yep, now it's testing. See that red candle forming? It's testing the neckline of the engulfing. It's gonna go up. All the signs are there. It's at the support zone, one confluence. It's giving engulfing on the left chart, and it's giving all the other candlesticks on the right side. Yep, going up. Oh, oh, here we go. Oh my good. Oh my goodness, guys. Guys, you see how I see what's about to happen in market? Guys, it's doing it. It's doing it. Doing it and doing it. Let's try it. Better not be a mini me. I need you to show up for me, okay? Yeah? Do your thing. Up you go. Mm-mm. We need to show that engulfing was a strong ass engulfing. Like, there was like three confluences for this, guys. When it's like three confluences, it's gonna be an upside. It's gonna be like not that little upside we just had. It's gonna be more. Going to be more upside. In some cases, traders who just love to trade up and down or whatever, whatever they see, they trade. Me, I'm not about trading everything, but I like to observe. Like, I like to train my brain to see, so I'm able to predict certain things that are about to happen in the market. Smart. Yep. There we go. There we go, guys. So I'm gonna end the live soon. I just wanted to show you pretty much what I see in market. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Yeah, 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 yeah. Guys. I'm actually tired, but as you can see, what it's doing, what it's do. Sorry, guys, I got a message. I actually need to end the live. Someone's waiting on me. That's why. But let's see. I'll just wait out a bit, just to show you, your girl. Your girl can see what's going down or what's going up in this case. Oh my god. Baby, are you going down, down, down? Never mind. Guys, forgive my singing. Even sometimes I offend myself with my singing. So, I offend people with my singing too sometimes. Okay? That's how it be. That's how it be. See, guys. It's funny enough, guys, this was tradable because once you get into that bullish engulfing, the area for collection we're coming up to it now. I mean, it could go further up than this, to be fair. It could, like I said, a lot of the times it goes all the way up, and it will meet me at the entry and take me out at the entry. It used to do that a lot. So I was like, you know what, I'm done with this. We are done. It's over. I want a divorce. Yeah, guys, listen, I pull up a lot of accents all the time. So if I pull up an accent that, it's relatable to where you come from, don't take offense. Cause you don't know what connections I have when it comes to my heritage. So let's chill. Yeah. That. Look at that. Look at guys. Oh, I could have just got like, but I don't need to trade everything. But it's like all of this. I see them. I see them when they're about to happen. I see them on point. I see them on a perfect entry, like the engulfing and the neckline of engulfing. No Jordan, just straight in. Bish bash bosh collect at the next support, which we just hit, or the resistance, I guess, in this case, because it was going up resistance. So, but guys, yep. Thank you for watching. I have to get going because my guest is getting irritable. It's rude when you have guests over and not entertaining them. So I will go, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will know